It's your boy Alpha Bro. I'm back with another video, bro.
Man, shut the fuck up, nigga.
Hey y'all, what's good? I'm back with another video, you know what I'm saying? So today we're gonna be viewing the sunset, you know what I'm saying? Show that in the park. You know, sunset is Mother Nature. Mother Nature is the only perfect art, you know what I'm saying? Bring that camera to me right now. Mother Nature is the only perfect art. So today we're just gonna be viewing the sunset, and this is where I draw some inspiration. And let's get into the video. Right now we're heading to the basketball park, you know what I'm saying? Pack is pack.
Shut up, bro.
Shut up. Basketball pack. Hey yo, Lil man. Bro.
Yeah, we're done with the video, bro.
Bro, we're not done, bro.
We done. What
With
the
that
fuck
shit.
you telling? What the fuck you telling me?
We're not done, bro. We're going to
done
the
with the
basketball court. You know what I'm saying? It's over there.
Go check it out, man.
Check it out. Check it out.
Some of the shit out. You know what I'm saying?
We're gone. So,
We got something to do, like we got something to do, many things to do today. You know
bro,
what I'm saying?
we're just going here to look at the sunset. You know what I'm saying? Sunset, appreciate.
It's a cheese spot.
Bro, the clear skin.
Yeah, what?
The clear skin, bro.
Shut up, motherfucker. Shut
Bro,
up, man.
I'm gonna have to play some volleyball, you know what I'm saying? Right now, we are the volleyball court, bro. They're not gonna allow us play. Bro, we came late. And we're not even in our sportswear set. Okay? This shit is nice, bro. Hey. Nice, bro.
Yeah, I like the shit, man.
Yeah.
You know,
Come on, stop saying shit, bro.
I like.
Bro,
What you want me to say? Like, I don't know what to say, man.
bro,
But it's pretty cool, man. You know.
pretty cool, bro. Look at the basketball court. We heading there. We heading there, bro.
People ain't know.
The sunset.
Back with the video. I know you like it. Good like and connect.
Hey, it's your boy at the Brazil, you know what I'm saying? We at the volleyball court right now. Bro, that was a dunk, bro. Go.
That was a good pass.
That was a great pass.
Get out of me.
Bro, why are you vexing, bro? Bro, you ain't supposed to be vexing. The sunset is almost coming out. Wow. Wow. Bro, that was... Okay, yeah. So this is the sunset, bro. Yeah. Love this shit. Like, look at it. Oh shit, it's coming. I love this shit. I love this shit. Sunset. The sky. Rain. Hey. Sunset. Look at it. Huh? video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Turn on my post notification and smash that like button, bro. Share this video to your friends, and till we meet again. See you in the next video, bro.